How to find Facebook user location. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and then click on the search icon at the top right. And say for example you are looking for a person in a specific location. So you can type in that person's name. I'm going to use random names. Say for example this one, Amber, and I will click people only. And here you have a lot of results, a lot of people with the same name that you searched for, but you are looking for that person in specific location. So what you need to do is click on the filtering icon at the top right of the screen, and then from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on city, and you can type in your city here in the search bar. Or what you can do is I'm going to choose a random one, say for example Phoenix, Arizona, just for example, and I will click show results. And here you will find all the people with Facebook profiles that are listed in Phoenix, Arizona with the name that you've entered. So you can search for the person you want right here. And yeah, that was it. So that's it for this video. That's how you can find Facebook user by location. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.